So we're very proud of this boat. She's only sailed as a traditional catboat this summer, just a few times, kind of a shakedown. And next year, 2023, we plan to debut her as a new boat design. All right, so what's really unique about this boat is she's really, really light. She's 22 feet overall. She's 4,000 pounds. She has a carbon fiber stick mast, and her gaff, as I'll show you here down below, is a batten. But that batten there goes in the head of the sail to create a full roach, and from there we get our 450 plus square feet of mainsail. The other thing that's significantly different that we learned on the XFC 14 is the rudder. So she goes up and down just like the 14. If we get into shallow water, she'll spring up. The centerboard is standard catboat centerboard, easy to reach, but a lot of time went into making it really, really fair with absolutely zero play in the trunk, so she's really stiff going to windward. You can see our halyards are internal in this carbon fiber mast made by Forte, and you can see the sail track, which is unusual for a catboat. With the gas saddle, there's always a little bit of difference from one tack to the other. You can see the nice varnished transom, shows that she's a wooden boat. We had her at hull speed in 8 knots of wind with just the mainsail. Hull speed being just over 7 knots. Looks like the sun's just about down, and that's the end of this video. And thanks for checking out the XFC 22, and we'll talk to you soon. Sail on.